Hi there, my name's Sam. I'm an embedded systems engineer at Arm. I'm here to demonstrate today a machine learning demo that does both training and inference running on a Cortex-M device with the help of Cartesiam, who is part of our Arm AI partner program. Cartesiam, along with their NanoEdge AI platform, allow developers with little or no experience in ML, like myself, to get edge-based AI solutions running in minutes. So today we're doing a little demo on a Cortex-M23, which is a super tiny, super small, extremely low power device, perfect for edge solutions like this. If you're familiar with the Cortex-M0 or the M0 Plus, you can think of the M23 as a much newer sibling that benefits from the latest Arm technologies such as Arm's V8M architecture. Okay, I think it's demo time now. So I have with me here a guitar, and attached to that guitar is a Cortex-M23 development board with a small accelerometer. The accelerometer is used to detect vibrations from the guitar, and we feed this data into the system for training and then later on inference. So let me just plug the demo into a power source. Fantastic. So what this demo is capable of doing is learning a chord that I play, in this case D, and every time I play this chord, an LED on the LED ring will light up indicating the system has detected that chord and is learning what it looks like. So there's 12 LEDs on the LED ring, so we'll play this chord 12 times, and that should give the system enough data to learn the profile of what this D chord looks like. I've completely lost track of how many times I played it, so I'll just keep playing until the system flashes green, indicating it's ready. And I think we're almost done now. Fantastic, there we go. Okay, so let's put that to the test. Has it learned what a D looks like? Let's see. Here's a D, the system's gone green, brilliant. How about an E minor? Red, an A? How about something more similar to a D, like a D minor? Again, red, so let's go back to the D. Brilliant, it works. So that's pretty cool. Well, let's try something even cooler. Let's reset the board and enter the training cycle again. Let's pick two more chords that we just used then. An E minor and an A. So this is just to demonstrate that we haven't hard-coded in what a D looks like or anything like that. We're learning chords on the fly during the training phase, and then we can use them later to infer. So I'll keep iterating between the E minor and the A, and the system will learn both those chords, and we'll be able to put that to the test in a second. Once again, I've completely lost track of how many times I've played these chords, but I think we're almost done. Ah, brilliant, there we go. So let's put that to the test. Here's an E minor. Green. How about that A? Fantastic. What about that D from before? There we go, perfect. Let's try a G. Red, and then back to the A. Fantastic, it works perfectly. This system's great, and I was able to do it so easily. It literally took me minutes. In fact, I actually had a harder time setting the LEDs up than I did to create this whole AI demo. So yeah, it's really good. If you get a chance, have a play around with it.